In a significant development in the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya, Vivek Singh, informed during a press briefing today that 3 individuals have been arrested from various locations in Madhya Pradesh in connection with the destruction of crucial evidence. The arrested individuals include Shillong James, a property dealer who allegedly burned a box containing personal belongings of prime accused Sonam Raghuvanshi, and also Balveer Ahirwar, a flat watchman and carpenter who assisted in locating and subsequently destroying the same box. The third person arrested is Lokendra Singh Tomar, the landlord of the Devas Naka flat in Indore, where Sonam Raghuvanshi was hiding. Tomar was apprehended in Gwalior on the 23rd of June following a request by the Special Investigation Team. A splinter team from the SIT based in Shillong is currently on its way to Gwalior to secure transit remand. Authorities expect to bring all 3 accused, Tomar, James and Ahirwar, to Shillong by the 25th of June 2025. Meanwhile, forensic experts from the Madhya Pradesh Forensic Science Laboratory are analyzing the charred debris recovered from Indore. The remains are believed to include electronic items, SIM cards, jewelry and other key materials potentially linked to the case. The East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police also clarified that the recent arrests are specifically related to tampering with evidence and do not pertain to direct involvement in the murder itself. The East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police also clarified that the recent arrests are specifically related to tampering with evidence and do not pertain to direct involvement in the murder itself. He further stated that Sonam Raghuvanshi has already confessed to her role in the crime, eliminating the need for a narco analysis test.
See, when the assailants and other accused were picked up, they were picked up from different places. It's only when they were brought here that this whole thing was unearthed. It came to light that they had Sonam was staying in this flat in Indore. She had gone to Indore. In fact, we didn't know also which place. There's only other further interrogation on the 8-day interrogation that we came to know that there was a place. And after the team found out that yes, there was a place, we informed Indore police, and that place was kept on guard and all that. And it's only when the team went back that they found everything was empty. So this thing happened after the 10th. So we came to know only after they were brought here. Yeah. Yes, destruction of evidence is an offence. Right from the beginning, I said we've got adequate evidence, but see, it makes it very complete. The thing which was in Vesaudam and which had travelled to that flat, it connects the accused to the crime. So this is also a good evidence out there where it connects. So a person who destroys that evidence is actually also implicated out here.
What are the roles?
Nonetheless, we actually have taken debris of all the burnt material from there. Forensic team had come from Madhya Pradesh, and we are sending that to the Central Forensic. So we'll ascertain what is there. Some pieces are there which are burnt. We are yet to ascertain. Probably it could be a phone also. There is no sign of any pistol or of any jewelry as yet. So once these people are brought here, we'll interrogate and extend the investigation as to where they are disposed of.
So when are they coming to Shillong? When will be brought to Shillong?
Today two people have been produced day before, and we got a 7-day remand, a transit remand. One more person from Gwalior was arrested yesterday, and he's been produced today, so we are asking for transit remand for the same.
So can you tell us, Tomar, then James and the security guard, what are their roles in this crime?
I think it's very, very clear that these people have destroyed evidence. Now, destruction of evidence is an offence. This is a vital evidence to the case and all that, whereby the gold of Sonam, the chain of Raja is in that box. So the items which of the people who are here had reached Indore, and that becomes vital evidence. But these people had destroyed. So destruction of evidence, they are culpable. The only the plausible reason which I can see now is greed. So probably people got greedy. The accused have been arrested. Box is still there. So must have thought, let's check what is there. And we found this cash, jewelry, and all that. And must have taken that, not knowing that okay, police will be able to trace the whole thing back. And later realizing that yes, police will come and be able to ascertain who is there. These people, all three of them, took off. One person took off to Hardwar, another person took off to Bhopal, and the other person to Ashok Nagar. So these people, just from their actions only, it just shows they are guilty and culpable. And we have proof of them taking the box out. So actually, they are not involved in the murder per se, but they are involved in destroying vital evidence. See, there's a love triangle between. I mean, there's a relationship between both of them. It is also ascertained that both of them have their own companies. Okay, so they have their own companies. They want to further their own business. So these are the only things which are apparently which appear to be in the interest to actually get rid of Raja, because they want to further the business. They have a relationship. Nothing beyond this has come out. But investigation is, in fact, how many days into investigation? We are still exploring. So that has not. We'll have to get Tomar out here for interrogation. And why did Tomar and Shillong James have to take that thing out? Was it greed? Was it something else?
When they will be produced in Shillong court?
Day after they will be coming. So we hopefully will produce them day after. And see, narco test is only when there's no evidence at all, and narco analysis is actually banned by the Supreme Court. And whatever is revealed during a narco test, it is not admissible in court. It will just give us an idea of how probably we get a clue or something from there. But that's not evidence in itself, what they say out there. When they have already admitted to the crime, we have done the reconstruction, they have shown us, we have got the evidence in the place of occurrence. I don't see the reason why we should go for narco analysis at this stage.